In today's tutorial, I'll show you two free methods on how to turn your image to cartoon for free using Canva. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube, and please watch this video to the end so you could understand the step-by-step method on how you can turn your image to cartoon. First thing you want to do is to log into your Canva on your website, because we are going to be using our desktop version for this particular tutorials. And when you're on the desktop side, on the search bar, you search for YouTube thumbnail. Let's assume you want to create a YouTube thumbnail for your YouTube channel. And when you do that, you click on the search bar after typing YouTube thumbnail. So after clicking on the search bar, we have different templates that we can actually use to create our design. But because we want to create a cartoon picture, we are just going to be using a blank template. This is our blank template and this is how it looks like. We're not using any template. So I'm just going to be clicking on upload here, show you the original picture that I want to cartoonify, and also show you the before and after of how that picture now looks like. So let me use this picture so that you could see as an example. So I'm going to be putting it side by side with the other picture that I want to cartoonify, so you can see and understand how it works. So this is how this picture looks like. As you can see, it hasn't been tampered with. So you want to search for apps. This is apps on Canva. When you click on apps, on the search bar you search for Cartoonify. Let's see, this is it. You click on Cartoonify and this is how the app looks like. So you want to click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you here. It's going to ask you to upload an image or select one in your design to cartoonify it. So you just want to choose file. So when you click on choose file, let's assume this picture is also on my download. So I'm going to search for it that we can use it. And you click on this picture, you click on open. You can see cartoonifying image. So you are going to wait for a few seconds for this image to be cartoonified. So we are going to wait for it. So Cartoonify has successfully uploaded the media to your timeline. So this is how the Cartoonify now looks like. So you can actually see the before and after of this picture. So basically this is just one method to use to cartoonify any of your images using Canva and using the Canva app. So you can see how easy it is to just select your image from Canva, select the apps, and automatically it just helps you to cartoonify this picture. So the second method that you can actually use is using the edit photo option. So I'm going to quickly show you how to also use the edit photo option. So let's add another page so that we can just create a new method for you to see. So I'm still going to be uploading this particular image. This is this image that we are going to be using. I downloaded this image from a free website that you can use. So this is the image. Now on this image, you click on this particular image and okay, let me still upload it here so that you can have the before and after of this image. So let me expand it a little. So this is how the image looks like. When you click on it, you click on edit photo. So now before, Canva actually have something called Prisma, but with the new updated we can't really find Prisma on this edit photo. So what you want to do, you want to scroll down to the last search to the last place, and you'll see here it said you are using the new photo editor. To use the old experience, click here. So we actually want to use the old experience to edit this particular picture. So we are going to click here, and you can see it's asking us to revert to the old editor or keep the new editor. So we want to revert to the old editor. So you can, when you revert to it, you still click on this particular image and you click on edit image. So you want, on the search bar, you want to search for Prisma. That's the app we are going to be using to cartoonify this particular picture. So when you click on Prisma, you click on search. So when we click on this search, look at what it brings. Look at it here. So you want to select this Prisma, this icon that has this black stripe that I just selected. So you can see different Prisma templates or settings. So let's select this one to see how our picture is going to look like. As you can see, after we selected this template, this is what it gave us. This is how it cartoonify this particular picture. You can still check out other templates to see how it's going to look like and if that's what you want to use. So we are going to see, look at this. This is how it turned this particular picture to cartoon. But there are different templates here, but I think I like this first one that we just used. So for the purpose of these tutorials, I'm actually going to be using this particular picture, and when you're done, you click on apply. Basically, that's how to cartoonify your picture using Canva. As you can see, the two methods have their own different way that the picture look like. So it depends on you and what you want or how you want your picture to look like. And when you are done, you can click on this share button. When you click on the share button, you go to download. You click on the download button and it's automatically saved to your drive. So basically that's how to go about this. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you for watching.